Hello everyone. So in this lecture, we'll discuss about how to create a lesson content in our LMS. First of all, we have 4 quadrants in the LMS. The first quadrant speaks about the lesson content. If in your LMS, if the lesson content is not there, it means the first quadrant itself is not fulfilled. So we'll see how to create a lesson content. So let me turn on editing, and then so we shall create a new activity here, and then I'm going to select the lesson option here. So the icon or the symbol for lesson option is this kind of a 3 boxes is there, and as you can see here, the symbol itself says that we can branch out. So in the lesson activity, now we can create a lesson followed by some questions, and we can branch out as well. We can create multiple content pages within a lesson. So a lesson page, a lesson activity can have a content page, can also have a question page. Okay, so first I'm creating the lesson activity. So here I need to give the title. So I'm giving the title computer networks. Okay, and then see whatever you type here, and when you say display description on the course, it will display it on the course page itself. This is just to give an intro to the lesson content. I'm just leaving it blank, and then I just click on save and return to course. So this will create a new lesson content over here. So when I click on the lesson content now, so it's all empty now here, and you can see here there are items here like add a content page or a question page. So we can create a content page. So I want to create 3 content pages, wherein the first content page I want to give the title as say intranet. And before I prepare the content, the content page, I ensure that I have the content. So I will put the content there for intranet. So the content is already there. I'm just copying and pasting it here in the box here. So here is where my intranet content. And then here I need to give kind of, after the content where they should go. So I want them to go to a question, like say quiz. So I give quiz 1. So there will be a button which will be created as quiz 1, and then I just give save page. And now you can see here the intranet content page is created. Now I want to create 3 content page like this. So in the right hand side, there is an option here actions, and where it says add new content and new page, wherein I can create here another content page, and I'm going to name it as say extranet, and then I will copy paste the extranet content there. Okay, extranet content is done. After copying paste the extranet, and then here I give quiz, say quiz 4 I will give, because for the first content page I'll have 3 quiz questions, and then for the second content page it will start from quiz 4. So I'll just save page, and then I want to create one more content. So I add one more content page. This time the title is internet, and then I give the internet content here. Okay, so now all 3 contents are ready. So here I'll give quiz say 4, 5, 6, so quiz 7, and then save page. So now you can see all the 3 content pages are created on my screen. Now I need to add a quiz page. So here I go here and I give it as add a quiz page. So it says multiple choice, essay type numerical. I go with multiple choice, and I say the quiz page. So here I want to give the first quiz, which is quiz 1, and then I give the question here. I give the question as the extended form of intranet is called as dash. So here I give the answers, internet, and so here is the score. So internet is a wrong answer. I give 0, and I give extranet is the right answer. So here I give the score 1. Answer 3, I give say hypernet is just wrong answer. I give ultranet, that is also wrong answer. So for all the wrong answer I given 0. For the right answer I'm giving a score of 1. And then I need to just save this. So you can see here now after intranet the quiz 1 is already created. Now what I need to do is I need to, after the intranet page, now let us have a look at the preview. Okay, I'll take you to the preview. So here you have the intranet, and because we mentioned at the end something we wrote as quiz 1, so this button is created. So when I click on this button it should go to the quiz number 1. But the problem is the link is not created. If I click, it will not take me anywhere. It will take me to the same page. Actually we want the quiz to be shown. So we click on edit, and here for the intranet page there is a button here. So I click on this button, the gear button, and then here I have already given quiz 1, and then for jump I have it by default it says this page. Instead I click on quiz 1 and now I save. So now let us go to the preview, and now you can see that intranet, when I click on quiz you can see that the answers have come here, and then I select the answer, I submit. See, again and again it's repeating because I did not do the link after the quiz where it should go. Okay, so we'll do that also so that we can complete it. Okay, so here now quiz 1 multiple choice. So here you have the answers here, and I give the edit button. So here the first answer is wrong. So if the student is getting the wrong answer, where he should jump? Now jump is he should go to the intranet page when the extranet is the right answer. So after the right answer he should go to the next lesson, which is extranet, and same way for wrong answer he should go back to intranet, and here also he should go back to the same content page, which is intranet. So I save here. Now you can see here the jumps are given here. After the intranet content it should go to the quiz 1 jump. It should jump to the quiz 1. In the quiz 1, if he gives the right answer, it will go to the next content, which is the extranet. If he gives the wrong answer in all the other 3 options, now the jump is made to intranet. You need not test every time. If this logic is correct, the first option is wrong, second option is right. So second option it goes to the next content. First option and third and fourth option it's all wrong. So it jumps back to the same content page which we had created earlier. So like this we need to create a quiz, and then we need to give the jump link also we need to give. So we'll do the same thing for the next content. So here is the content. Content is already there, and then I create, say for example, instead of quiz 4 we'll keep it as say quiz 2, and then I save this page, and then let us create a new quiz. Okay, let me give, okay, I meant to create the quiz. So let us create a new quiz. After extranet I'm going to create a quiz page. So let me create a quiz page, add question, let it be multiple choice. So here I'm going to give quiz 2, and then we'll give expand VPN. Okay, expand VPN. Okay, so the right answer is virtual private network. So I give virtual private network. This is the right answer, and after the right answer he should go to the next page, which is internet. Score is 1. So here I am going to give the wrong answers. Virtual public network. This is the wrong answer, so score is 0. Jump is it should go back to extranet page itself. I give few more answers. We'll give virtual popular network. which is wrong. It should go to the same content page. Last one is virtual program network. This is also wrong. Score is 0. Jump to the extranet. So I save this page. Now you can see for the quiz 2, the first option is correct. It goes to the next page called internet. For all the other 3 options, the answer is wrong. So it has to jump to the previous one. So now we will see the extranet content where I need to jump to the quiz 2. So we need to click on the gear button, which is the edit button. You go to the extranet content. So quiz 2 is the button that will be created. Jump to be given to quiz 2 and then save the page. Okay. Now third one, I don't want to give a quiz. So what I do is I just click on the gear button and then I go here. I say that here end of lesson, and in the jump there is an option which says end of lesson. I give that. I save. So the last will be end of lesson. Okay. So this is the order. Intranet is the first content. After the content is completed, it has to jump to quiz 1. In quiz 1, right answer, it should proceed to extranet. If it is wrong answer, it should go back to intranet. And in the extranet, again, after the content, quiz 2 is there. In the quiz 2, for the correct answer, it should proceed to the next lesson, next content, which is the internet. Wrong answer, it should go back to the same lesson, which is the extranet. So these are the jumps we have created. Now let us take a preview of that and we'll see how it works. So here, let me take you to the preview once again. From the beginning, we'll do it. Yeah, so this is our first page, intranet. There's a button quiz 1. I give the quiz. And then say, for example, I give a wrong answer. I'm giving hypernet. I submit. It will take me to the same page, intranet. That's working good. Quiz 1, let me give the correct answer, which is extranet, and submit. Now it has taken to the next content page, which is extranet. Again, at the bottom, you have now the quiz 2 button. Let me click this. Yeah, quiz 2 is created. Let me give a wrong answer here. Virtual popular network. It should go back to the same extranet. Yes, it is working. Quiz 2. Now let me give the right answer. It is virtual private network, which is the right answer. It should take me to the internet lesson. And in the internet lesson last, there should be a button called end of lesson. I click on end of lesson and it says congratulations, end has been reached, return to IT5 Manager course. So this is how we do the lesson content along with the challenge questions. This is quadrant 1 of LMS. Thank you.